But we are watching shares of Boeing. They're actually up more than 2%, despite reports that the company is set to lose around $20 billion after President Trump announced that he will reinstate economic sanctions over Iran. So maybe a little bit of buy on the rumor, sell on the news here, or at least in this case, maybe buy a little bit on the news. Boeing is going to be forced to scrap its deals with Iran once the sanctions kick in. But the CEO is saying, you know what, that's important that the company follow the lead of the U.S. government. You know, they also don't want to insult the U.S. government too much because, well, the U.S. government's kind of a big customer, right? For more, let's go to our very own Edward Lawrence, who has this story first. Hey, Edward.
Hey, Trish. Yeah, Boeing's also been smart about how they manage things. Now, of the sanctions or the impacts of the sanctions going back into effect, airline manufacturers will be hit, some of the biggest. Now, of the two biggest airline manufacturers, Airbus will actually be impacted more than any. That's because they've already started to deliver planes to Iran that they did under a deal in 2016. So Airbus now will fall under that sanction, even though it's a European firm, because there are American parts that are inside their planes. Now, Boeing will also feel the impact of this. They signed a deal last year for $3 billion with airlines in Iran. Now, in total, they have agreements for about 110 planes worth $20 billion. Now, the big difference here, though, is that the company has not started building those planes yet.
We had not made any Skyline production slot commitments on those airplanes. And I think most sensitive to that was the 777 line, our wide-body line. And none of those airplanes are in our backlog. So we had been, pushing some of those out to mitigate our risk. And we'll continue to follow the U.S. government's lead here.
The other big industry that's affected by all this is oil in the energy sector there. Now, take a look at some of the prices now. You see it's ticked up a little bit, about 3% or so today. Now, the Secretary of Treasury says that his office has been talking with other oil producers in the world and asking them to sort of pick up the loss from all of this oil possibly being lost in Iran. Now, he believes that this will not be a big impact because his office will be managing the supply and demand of the marketplace with those other oil producers who he believes will step up with this. Now, the Secretary also believes that 180 days is more than enough time for those companies to wind down their operations in Iran, as well as the market to absorb whatever loss is there. Trish?
Edward, thank you very, very much.